हर किसी एक की पर्सनालिटी डिफरेंट होती है और मेरे फ्रेंड्स की भी यूनिक है. Like these new launch deodorants by Bella Vita Luxury. Look at the packaging and the names. इन्हें पढ़ते ही I can relate कि मेरे किस फ्रेंड को कौन सा डिओरेंट यूज़ करना चाहिए. First on the list is Stud Deo for Men, and this one has to be for somebody who stand out in the crowd. Simply Mr. Popular. I think Kiran is best for this. The Deo is super long lasting. Next on the list is Deo Sin, the devil of the group. But सबसे ज़्यादा मज़े इसके साथ ही आता है. This one has to be for Geeta, no one else but her. Last is the Deo game, the Dhoni of the group. And I think this one has to be for Chirag. I brought this for my friends as they are anyway crazy for IPL. I am sure they will love it. Wait. By the way, there is buy one get one offer on all deodorants, which means in just $2.99 you will get 2 deodorants absolutely free. Go buy them now and comment down your favorite deodorant.